Alright, so welcome back to MTG Cards and Reviews. Thanks for stopping by once more. I appreciate you guys. Hope you're having a great day though. This is going to be going up here in December though. I've got of course some videos that I've recorded though that will of course be popping up here as well though. Just trying to keep putting some stuff out though, taking some older video stuff though and working it through it as well. We're going to take a look and see what we've got in these packs here. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, leave a comment though, and ring the bell, and let's see what we got in these draft boosters here. Alright, so we've got some Dwarven reinforcements. These are Kaldheim, I forgot to mention. Saraf's Packmate, Demonic Gifts, Story Seeker, Behold the Multiverse, Haga Mob, Code Spell Cleric, Mask, Vandal, Smashing Success, Geralt of the Forsaken, Zombie Cleric, Nico Defies Destiny. First uncommon, Battle Shield Warrior, Glimpse of the Cosmos, or Glimpse the Cosmos. There's no oven there. It's Glimpse the Cosmos. Alright. Our next card's going to be a rare. It is going to be Vargroth Blood Sky Sire. 2/3 with Death Touch. Legendary creature, Demon Rogue. And then we got a snow-covered island. And we got the arena card. Alright. Well, that's not... Let's throw that over there. Okay, next pack. Let's see what we've got in our next pack here. Demonic Gifts, Stramham Courser, okay. Carfell Harbinger, Run Amok. Hey, you know what? Run Amok. There used to be a Transformer by the name of Run Amok. Probably a little bit of difference on the spelling though, and probably not two separate words if I recall right, although it might have been hyphenated. I'd have to go look and see, but yeah, comes to mind. Ice High Troll. Alright, Snow Creature. There we go, there's our troll. Way down. Axgard Braggot? Or Bragart? And Dwarf Warrior. Grim Draugr and Zombie Berserker. And then we got an Arachniform, Undersea Invader, Broreal Outrider. Yeah. A Weathered Runestone, Skimfar Elderhall. Oh, nice. It's uncommon, but Skimfar enters the battlefield tap to add a green mana, or tap 2 plus 2 black mana, 1 green mana. Sacrifice the Skimfar Elder Hall. Up to 1 target creature you do not control gets -2/-2 until end of turn. Create 2 1/1 green elf warrior creature tokens. Activate this ability only anytime you could cast a sorcery. Alright. I'm not really sure that cost is worth it though. I've got rare here. We've got the Bears of Little Jar. Okay. And then we got our snow-covered land and our useless token in the back. Not even a token. Fill in a blank card. Alright. Next pack. Opening up here. Snake Skin Veil. Elder Fang Disciple. Iron Verdict. Strategic Planning. Seize the Spoils. Sculptor of Winter. Revitalize. I go instant. Gain 3 life. Draw a card. Sounds like a plan. Tuskeri Firewalker. Funeral Longboat. Dogged Pursuit. Path to the World Tree. Herald, King of Skimfar. Kroll, the Forge Master. And we got a rare. We've got the Righteous Valkyrie. Angel Cleric, 2/4 flying. Snow-covered forest. And a sword token. Alright. Alright, well that'll wrap it up for this one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications though. Leave a comment though. Appreciate you guys stopping by. And we will catch you in the next video. Have a great day. Alright, so hey, welcome to MTG Cards and Reviews. My name is Chris and thanks for joining us here. Just basically, this is going to be a quick thing that you're probably going to see in a lot of my videos going forward though, or either at the beginning, at the end though, and that is, I appreciate you guys stopping by. And I want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed though, who subscribes. And I appreciate you guys. I ask that you do a couple of things though. If you like what you're seeing though, leave a comment though. Like the video, share the video. Obviously, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. And ring the bell for notifications. And I appreciate you. Have a great day. Thanks everyone.